Hi and welcome in this new video. Uh, if you following my channel for a while, you may have seen these two Tiger variant micro scale tanks I did a tutorial on, but I never did a real, normal Tiger instructions. And to be honest, I already have a lot of them. And these two, with a slight modification of the muzzle brake that I like a little bit cartoonish with the 1x1 round plate instead of the Technic pin. This one is how the original Brickmania Tiger was. I made it one day in dark blues gray because I liked it more. I could do a tutorial on that one, but that one is actually all over YouTube, so you probably have seen that for once. Once I got these two in my collection, I back then wanted to have some more, and that came the moment that Brickmania released in its magazine the 007 Michael Whitman scenario and building instructions for this tank. And yeah, I liked it so much, I actually made some two variants of those with the same instructions, and just switching out the dark green for orange and like a dark bluish gray. So you get the same tank, but with another color, it looks completely different. Once I had those three next to these, I by now had 5 Tigers. I saw the Brickmania Tiger, what's this called, 131? I think so. I just looked a lot at the pictures and created this one out of that. I think it worked. And then I saw, I have to really dig up his name. I can't remember. Someone who is making amazing dioramas, selling them on Instagram and probably on the website back then, by now. He made a 35 scale winter tiger and used these colors, so I based it on that one. And by then I was pretty happy with my small collection of tigers. But then came the moment Brick Veteran released their first tiger tank, and I liked the colors, and I made this one like the, I think, Tiger 312. And I did a little minor modification, adding the machine gun on the front. It's a really small change to the basic model back there, but I really think it gives a little bit more special feeling. And while I had this one, I was really in love with going wild on camos like these. And that was the moment I discovered Webricks. Webricks allowed me to build tanks in more color variations. So by now, these are my Webrick, Go Bricks actually, changes that I make. And this is the tank final design that I'm going with by now. Maybe in the future there will be changes anymore. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to build this one, this variation with the machine gun, how it's done with the colors, the camo. I'm going to pick one camo flash. I think I will go with this one. That's the most easy one to do. And but I will first start with the basic one, but with the machine gun. And I'm going to show you how to do this one on camo. And if you want to see me do these in these camo patterns as well, I will just give me a comment, and maybe if there's enough requests, I will do those. But I actually think you guys are able enough to do them, or capable enough to do them yourself with the basic of this one. Camouflage isn't that hard. One goal I always have making camouflages is make sure the colors make a little pattern all over the tank, like group colors together. Don't make them back then this one it seems like I sprinkled colors all over, but that's because it's a winter camo, so you get snow on top of the dirt, and then it's not going to be clean. But when camo patterns were painted on tanks, they mostly choose certain parts of the tank to go flowing over. So that's one thing I keep in mind when making a camouflage. As you can see on this one, oh, just broke it. This one, same, you can see 10, dark red, dark green, 10 again. And the dark red is going over in the turret to come to this side again. Its turret's a little bit more like this. Of course, I had to do the 10 over here, but I hope you understand what I'm meaning. Yeah, this one also has the same, just 2 colors. So you got dark 10, reddish brown, dark 10, reddish brown. Make it flow. That's the most important part, I think. Well, enough said. Let's start with a light bluish version with a machine gun. The parts list will be in a second. And after that, I'll just go ahead and make a new, you see a new parts list for this one, and then the building structure for that one. Before we go to the parts list, small attention. If you want to use Go bricks, go to my description of this video and please use the link I have there. Gives me a little bit provision so I can build more stuff. And if you like these kind of videos, give it a like and of course subscribe to my channel. Well, parts list for this one with a machine gun coming up right now.